When you're building a DIY PC, it's the small details that make the biggest difference, and your power switch is one of them. Whether you're running an open test bench, a custom case, or a modded setup, a good power switch gives you faster access, cleaner control, and a more polished build. In this video, I'll show you the best power switches for DIY PC builds, from simple, reliable options to stylish RGB switches that level up your setup. Check the product links in the description to find the best option for your build. Let's jump right in. Product 5, Sinloon PC, Power Switch, RGB, LED, 2M cable, late night build, power button lost, silence and mounting frustration, bench strewn with parts, cables, and unresolved startup questions. Dead PC, deadline closing. I needed reliable control, fast. Enter Sinloon external power switch, compact metal alloy. Anodized aluminum housing survives drops, heat, relentless testing. 7-color RGB underlighting turns status into elegant visual language. Dedicated red HDD indicator reveals disk activity instantly, clearly. 2-meter cable lets me mount the button where needed. Includes adapters and splitters, mirror original switches, enable shared control. Pre-labeled plug-and-play connectors snap to headers, no tools. I clipped it on my monitor, bench transformed instantly. Troubleshooting became tactile. Press, see RGB, watch HDD pulse. Durable, visible, flexible, perfect for builders, modders, technicians. A small metal switch restored control and confidence. Check the product link in the description to see full details and current pricing. Product 4, Owltree Wireless PC Power Button, 20M range. Underdesk darkness hides your PC's power button again. You fumble, stretch, swear, productivity bleeding away silently. Imagine relocating that button to your desk, within reach. Meet Owltree, a matte black aluminum wireless power knob. CNC machined body feels solid. Elegant LED ring signals status. Mount the tiny PCIe receiver into any X1, X4, X8, X16. Note, not compatible with legacy PCI slots, plan accordingly. Plug the included 40cm header cable for instant PWR SW connection. USB-C magnetic dock charges fast. 5 volts, 2 amps. A single charge lasts up to 30 full days. Silent signal stability keeps servers, rigs, and custom loops reliable. Install in cramped cabinets, racks, and water-cooled bench builds. No more crawling under desks. Power within fingertip reach. For home users, server admins, and diligent PC builders alike. Upgrade your workflow. Check the product link in the description to see pricing, features, and availability. Product 3, Miri IFA PC. Power button, reset switch, 2M. Tired of bending under your desk to power your PC? Hard to reach towers and awkward cables ruin workflow and comfort. Resetting, testing, or powering servers is a daily hassle. Meet Miri IFA, external desktop power switch with 2-meter cable. Mechanical style tactile switches give crisp, loud feedback every press. Durable design rated for up to 5 million clicks. Plug-and-play front panel header adapter simplifies motherboard wiring instantly. Bright RGB gradient lighting adds visual flair and status feedback. Stick the adhesive base, route cable through chassis hole. Connect power LED, power SW reset, HDD pins, done. Place the button on desk, no more bending over. Instantly power, reset, or test rigs from your chair. Perfect for builders, gamers, and home office users alike. Compact, lightweight design with cable ties keeps setup tidy. Check the product link in the description to see full details, compatibility, and current pricing. Product 2, External PC Power Button, 118-inch LED switch. Ever shoved your hand under a desk like it's a treasure hunt? That tiny recessed power button? Worst hide-and-seek champion ever? Need to reboot servers while balancing on a chair? Relatable, meet my secret weapon. External PC power button with 118-inch cable. 118-inch cable reaches farther than your excuses for cable management. Built-in LED tells you if it's alive, no mystical guessing. Standard 4-pin connector fits most ATX motherboards. Plug-and-play glory, perfect for test benches, server racks, HTPCs, and SFF builds. No drilling, 3M sticker install. Even your cat could ignore splitter duplicates power button. Original and external, dual control flex fix, broken buttons, or add remote power like a boss. For PC builders, IT techs, modders, this is your Swiss Army sleek, brushed metal cube with blue LED. Looks pro on any desk. Stop limboing under desks. Press a button without yoga poses. Buy it, slap it on your rig, become desk power royalty. Check the product link in the description for full specs, compatibility, and the best deals. Product 1. Desktop external PC power supply button switch. Late night build, cables tangled, power switch just out of reach. You fumble under the desk restarting, missing gameplay's crucial moment. Meet the acrylic external PC power button with 1.9 Miller cable. Plug and play front panel leads power SW, reset SW power LED. Install in seconds. No soldering, no complex routing required. Now your desk becomes the command center for power. 75-inch cable reaches anywhere. Control from couch or workstation. Swap the removable keycap for your own personalized style. Soft blue acrylic illumination gives gentle visual feedback at night. Built for PC builders, gamers, and meticulous DIY enthusiasts. Bench tests open cases, or cramped test benches, power simplifies. One tactile square button replaces awkward chassis, pokes forever. Plug the adapter, press once. Instant reliable on-off control. Focus on gameplay, streaming, or building. Forget fumbling. Upgrade your setup today. Check the product link in the description to see full details, compatibility, and current pricing. Like the video if it helped you, comment your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more useful reviews and updates.